Okay, after you get the complete first layer, what you're going to want to do next is get these edge pieces right here in the second layer. What you do is you look in the top right here for the edge pieces that don't have yellow anywhere on the top or on the side. So this one right here has orange and green. So what you do is match the side color right here to its center. And then you look on the top and this one's green. So it's going to go to the left to where the green is. So you're going to use your left hand to go to put the top to the side away from you, that side up, and then just move that over again and then back down. And you just messed up that corner, messed up like the whole white in the corner and everything. So all you need to do is scoot that back over, match the green to the green, and put the corner back in place like you did last time. And that puts that edge piece back in place. This one's red and green, so put it on the red. It's going to the right, so you can use your right hand to go over, up, over, down, and then put the corner back. And that put the edge in place. That one's blue, so you're going to put it on the blue. It's orange, so I'm going to use my left hand. Over, up, over, down. Put the corner back. And if this ever happens to you, where you either have the piece in the correct place except it's flipped, or if you have another edge where one is supposed to go, all you do is you just go, like, you can do it either way, like on the left or on the right, but you just take the edge and just get it in the top like that. And yes, you just messed up the corner. Just put the corner back. And that puts the edge piece that you were needing on the top so you can mess with it. Going to the right, so I'm going to go over, up, over, down. Put the corner back. And that gives you all 4 correct edges. And you now have the complete second layer.